there, guys and girls. Good day to each every one of you. I'm gonna go to Land Transportation Office Satellite here in a certain mall, Cainta, Rizal. Because as you can see, my ORCR is already tormented and ripped, so I have to ask for a replacement if there will be a charge or if this is free. But I think it's free based on what I have learned on the national TV, that once you have documents from the government that came from the government that you acquired, it will be replaced the time that you wanna ask for it. So I'm gonna try my luck. And I still have 8 minutes before the office of the LTO will be closed. Actually, guys and girls, I've been looking for this past few days because I want to make a new registration for my ever-loving wagon, Britney Cheryl, for me to drive it all the way and no hassles on driving, right? And until I found out, when I'm looking for a list of my clients, I've been looking for it. Accidentally and unexpectedly, I pick it on my wallet. And you know what? There's something tells me that you put it on your old wallets all this way. So we're here. I'm gonna ask if they can replace. Hi, excuse me. Pwede pa po ma-replace tong ORCR ko? Na ano na kasi, hindi ko na...
Yung OR, every renewal yan.
Opo. Okay.
Pero ito yan.
Pwede ma-replace?
Pwede ma-replace yan. Kaso sa mga district offices yan.
Hindi pwede dito?
License lang kami sa rin. Makanyaki. Sa Marikina siguro. Yung kumbaga panibagong kopya na ito ganito.
Opo. Pero pag kunwari ang tawag doon, magpapa-rehistro ako, pwede kong gamitin to?
Pwede po. Kahit Xerox sila lang, pwede sir.
Pwede. So, hindi pala pwede itong i-replace sa any satellite office?
Kasi renewal lang po, license lang.
Oo. Yun talaga.
Satellite license lang.
Pag yung mga labas-labas, sa Binangonan, pwede?
Pwede po.
Pwede.
One-stop shop yun.
Oo.
Pwede sila lang.
Tapos doon sa may Cainta, yung parang Changi doon, dito sa may papuntang junction, pwede?
Pwede rin po yun. Yung sa may bazaar.
Oo, pwede.
One-stop shop yun. Pwede rin ang registro dun siya.
Oo. Sige, thank you so much. So, they can replace here in satellite only in the main offices. So bye for now. Shout out to each every one of you. Bye. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my family, Bicol, Famorda, to Helen, Carreta, and to Amber. Bye for now. To all my lovely countries who've been supporting my channel. Bye.